Let's go. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Aziza? Yes, come on. Which is please?
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Me and my group will present material about
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
nouns and article. Okay, for the next, the first. Yeah.
Okay.
Come on.
A. Oh, A sih. Ini apa ini? Oh, ini J.
Ini enggak ini. Ini gimana deh?
A. Objectives of the study. 1. To explain the function of noun and articles. 2. To explain the types of nouns and articles.
Articles.
An article. Okay, next.
Okay, next. Jangan banyak diam, langsung dibaca. You reading exercise 1.
Sorry, ma'am.
Nouns and states to for the complete share. Okay? Come on.
Exercise-nya ini dibaca nggak, ma'am?
Yes, dibaca. Reading. Ya kan materialnya the nouns and article. The exercise 1. Nouns and states to for complete and the sentences. Okay, the brain stores 100 trillion pieces of
Dibaca.
the best answer information gitu ya. And then number second, ya Anda reading saja tidak apa-apa.
Number second. Men's brains are heavier than a woman's brain. Number 3. The brain uses 1/4 or the side of the body's program. Number 4. The left brain controls math, language, and logic. Number 5. The right brain controls color, art, and music. Number 6. The human brain weighs about 3,5 pounds.
No, I'm so sorry. 3.5.
3.5 pounds.
5 pounds.
Yes, I agree.
Next.
7. The brain cannot feel pain. 8. The brain receives more than 100 million nerves messages from the body.
Okay, next.
Nggak bisa itu, nggak bisa dipencet.
Next. Slide berikutnya.
Oh, nggak bisa.
The next slide.
Ma'am,
Yes.
slide-nya nggak bisa di next.
Lah, berarti dikeluarin dulu. Kalau
Nih.
nggak bisa di next. Nah, oke. Tuh bisa.
From the reading workout,
Okay.
whether statement ini ketutupan. Sorry, man. Pindahinnya gimana? Oh, gini. Mana? Workout whether statement are true or false. Check T
Yes.
for true and F for false. 1. The weight of the brain depends on intelligence. Ininya baca.
Iya.
It's false. Number 2, jazz music musician has a dominant right brain. This is true. 3. A left-handed person has a dominant left brain. This is false. 4. When you play a game of chess, you use the left side of your brain. This is true. Number 5. The lost brain cells are always replaced. This is false. Yeah. Number 6. The brain feels pain when you have a new headache. This is false.
Wait, ma'am.
Okay, next.
Nggak bisa lagi.
Nggak bisa. Next, ma'am.
Dikeluarkan dulu kalau nggak bisa. Keluar, baru di-share lagi. Begitu caranya.
Nggak bisa dong.
Tuh. Banyak.
Kalau nggak usah di-show. Nggak usah di-show. Nah, kalau biasanya di-show suka itu. Oke, next. Island.
Exercise 3. Complete the sentence with the name of the country or island. 1. Honshu is the biggest island in Japan. 2. Greenland is the biggest island in the world. 3. According to the geographers, Australia is not an island but a continent. 4. About 11,000 years ago, 11 million years ago, the Great Britain was connected to Europe. 5. Iceland was formed by a volcano millions of years ago. 6. Surtsey is a new island formed in 1,000 and 9,963. Exercise 4. Complete the sentence below information from the card. 1. Greenland is the largest island. It is in the North Atlantic Ocean. 2. Papua is the second largest island. It is in the Indonesian and Papua New Guinea Ocean. 3.
Ocean.
3. Borneo is the third southwestern largest island. It is in Pacific Ocean. 4. Madagascar is southeast largest island. It is in Africa Ocean. 5. Baffin is southeastern fifth largest island. It is in Canada Ocean. 6. Sumatra is southeast largest island. It is in Indonesian Ocean.
Yes, okay, next. Okay, singular and plural nouns.
Singular and plural nouns. Nouns can be classified into two groups: count nouns, which can be counted and which take n s, and non-count nouns, which cannot be counted and which usually do not take n s. Strategy: look for a non-count noun that is pluralized where it generally should not be.
Generally.
Look at the following.
Okay, next. The following table next.
Connouns.
Yes, okay. Good.
Connouns.
Yes.
Take a or an or one for the singular. 2. Usually take a final s or s in the plural. Non-connouns. 1. Do not take a or an in the singular. 2. Do not generally have a plural form. Some connouns are irregular and do not take an s in the plural. Here are some common irregular connouns. Man, to be man. Foot, to be feet. Woman, to be woman. Tooth, to be teeth. Child, to be children. Fish, to be fish.
Okay, next. Next. Yeah. Quantifiers.
Quantifiers. A quantifier is a word that indicates an amount on or quantity. A. Some quantifiers are used only with plural count noun. B. Some quantifiers are used only with singular count noun. C. Some quantifiers are used only with non-count noun. The amount of oxygen available to the brain is important. If your brain gets less oxygen than it needs, you could become unconscious. D. Some quantifiers are used with both plural count noun and non-count noun. All plenty of any a lot of not most lots of some more brain cells use up a lot of energy. Most animals rely on instinct.
Okay, next. Next.
Exercise 3. Correct the errors in noun form in the following sentence. 1. Intelligence is the ability to use thought and knowledge to understand, think, and solve problems. The knowledge change to knowledge. 2. Harmonies help adjust the mixture of sugar, salt,
Stop.
salt and waters.
Ini intelligence. Halo.
Yes,
Halo.
Number
1, intelligence is the ability to use thought and knowledge. Ada S-nya. To things and solve problems. Jawabannya yang tepatnya apa? Pakai S atau tidak pakai S?
Tidak pakai S, ma'am.
Jadi jawabannya yang mana?
Yang di dalam kurung, ma'am.
Oke, nah itu Anda harus jelaskan sehingga audiens tahu. Ya, oke guys. Number 1, exercise 3. Number 1, intelligence is the ability to use thought and knowledge. Ada S-nya ya, knowledge. To understand things and solve problem. It is the best answer, knowledge. No S. Gitu. Anda jelaskan seperti itu biar audiens paham, ya? Paham?
Yes, ma'am.
Ya.
Number 2.
Oke, next lah.
Hormones help adjust.
Hormones
help adjust the mixture of sugar, salt, and waters in your body. The best answer is water.
Nah,
Number
gitu.
3, psychology, meaning the study of mind and how it works, come from a Greek word meaning Leaves or salt? The best answer is
Bukan salah bacanya
Life.
live. Lives,
yes, ma'am.
kehidupan.
The best answer is life.
Mm-mm.
Number
Nah,
4.
gitu.
Brain cells use up a lot of energy, so they need a constant supply of oxygen. The best answer is oxygen. Number 5. Each
Ya,
hemisphere.
bukan number 5, number 5.
Number 5. Each hemisphere of the brain receives information about the opposite of the visual field. The best answer is receive. Number 6. Although millions of brain neurons are active at any one time, they do not use much electricity power. The best answer is electrical. Number 7.
Yes, good.
Lights entering the eye forms an image on 113 million,
100,
100,
130 million.
130 million tiny light cells. The best answer is light. Number 8.
Next, good.
Most animals are able to rely on learning and memory. The best answer is animals.
Okay, good job. Next.
Bentar, Mem.
Ya, nggak apa-apa. Whatever.
2. Compound nouns. Strategy. Look for compound nouns in which both nouns are pluralized instead of just the second noun. Compound nouns are two nouns that are used together to make one word or idea. The first noun acts as an adjective to the second noun and usually does not take place. The second noun can be plural. Brain cell, brain wave, computer scientist. Compound nouns may also be used with number of expression. Strategy.
Okay, next. Strategi before. Oke, kita skip. Next. Exercise. Ada exercise-nya nggak? Tadi. Exercise-nya ada nggak? Ya, oke. Exercise 4. Correct the errors in the...
Exercise 4. Correct the error in the following sentence. Number 1.
Yes, good.
People is brain wake more than they did 100 years ago. Number 2.
The best answer-nya brand. Halo. The best answer-nya brands and then years. Gitu.
Yes, Miss. Yes.
Oke. Anda jelaskan, oke guys, people blah 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 wake more than they did 100 ago. Ya, the best answer people's brands. Ya, brands the best answer and 100 years the best answer. Gitu. Anda harus menjelaskan begitu. Kan audiens tidak semua paham itu yang digarisbawahi apa gitu maksudnya. Oke? Next. First. Ini mana jawabannya? Ya. Number second. Nevers. Impulses can travel at the speed up to 400 feet per second. The best answer-nya mana?
I'm sorry, this is unfair.
Hah?
Ini udah,
Answer-nya mana?
ini udah jawaban yang benar ya, Mem?
Nah, Anda harus jangan yang benar. Anda harus membuat soalnya. Revisi ya.
Siap, Mem.
Oke, exercise 4, revisi.
Next ya, Mem.
Number second, revisi. Number 3 juga sama. The brain contains between 10 trillions to 100 trillions neurons. Nah, ini juga apa jawabannya? Oh, ini jawabannya yang benar begini. Berarti soalnya yang mana? Bingung kan, audiens? Soalnya yang mana? Oh, soalnya nggak ada. Tiba-tiba jawaban doang yang benar gitu kan? Bingung. Ya, Anda harus ada berikut dengan jawabannya biar audiens juga paham dan mem juga paham gitu. Masa kayak tadi people brands, berarti this is the best brands gitu ya. Nah, ini there are 3 to 4 millions. Berarti the best answer-nya millions. Yang lain mana ini? Makanya harus ya revisi di exercise 4. Coba dilingkarin nanti itu. Dicatat. You noted. Revisi exercise 4. Next.
Oke, Mem.
Ya, oke. Next. Ya, oke. The article. Oke.
Yes.
Which
B.
is please.
Articles. Article. Cause. 1. The indefinite articles. Enggak ada S-nya. Article a or an. Strategy. Avoid confusion between a and n. Remember.
An.
Oh gitu, maaf, mem.
And an. Remember.
And an. Remember and is used before a vowel sound.
Bukan n, salah. An. Dibacanya an.
Remember.
And is used
An
before
is used before a vowel sound. Avoid confusion between a and an. Remember, an is used before a vowel sound. Lah ini ada 2.
Oke, next.
The
Articles,
indefinite-
skip. Next.
Oh, next.
Next. Next slide. Oke.
Oh, ini.
Oke, next slide. Ya, next slide. Exercise. Nah, oke. Saya lebih suka ke exercise. Exercise 5. Nah, ini exercise 5 juga mana? Anda jawabannya saja. Soalnya mana?
The best answer
Indonesia is country made of
yang di garis bawahi,
gimana?
Mem. Yang NC.
Oke, iyo.
Courage and
NC itu apa? Singkatan NC itu apa?
not courage.
Write NC if the sentences is not correct. Maksudnya Anda jelaskan di sini menggunakan Indonesia biar audiens tahu. Ya, the circle lingkari gitu kan. Circle or and in the following sentences write C on the left. Ya, if the sentence and C if the sentences is not correct. Kalau NC incorrect gitu. Anda jelaskan. Coba.
Yang tadi mana? Lagi.
Exercise 5. Ya. Exercise 5. Lewat tadi. Ya. Oke, stop. Yes, come on, please. Would you please? Indonesia is, ayo. Which is
Indonesia
place?
is a country made of thousands of islands. The best answer is not correct. Or NC.
Mm-mm.
Number 2,
Mm-mm.
Greenland is big with a permanent ice cap covering it. The best answer is NC or not correct. Number 3, the
Yeah.
Bahamas, which
Mm-mm.
consists of 700 islands, have a superb
Mm-mm.
climate.
Yes, good. And then
The best answer
number,
is correct.
yes, that's
Number
correct.
4, Robinson Crusoe is a
Cru-
character in a book by Daniel
Character.
character in a book by Daniel Defoe.
The best
Defoe.
answer.
The best answer is NC or not correct. And number
Yes.
5,
Okay.
Robinson Crusoe spent 20 years with his friends Friday on a uninhabited island. The best answer is not correct or NC.
Yes.
Next, number 6, New Guinea is a country where there are 700 languages. The best answer is correct.
Mm-mm.
Number 7, Etna is an active volcano on the island of
Mm-mm.
Sicily. The best answer is not correct. Number
Mm-mm.
8, on
Okay,
the
next.
island of Borneo, there is a snake that can fly or live up to 20 meters. The best answer is correct. And number 9, the plants and animals that live on an island might develop to be quite different. Next,
The best
ma'am.
answer, correct.
The best answer is correct.
Okay. Okay. Exercise 5. Good. And then next slide. Okay. The article
Masuk ke artikel.
strategi. Oke, kita skip saja yang ini. Articles skip. Next. Nah, next. Ini kan yang tadi, exercise 5. Next. Before original numbers,
Yes.
definitive articles. Okay, next.
TOEFL ini
Before singular and plural. Yeah, okay, good. On the TOEFL test. Okay, would you please? Okay. Would you please? Dibaca.
A, for nouns. Nouns are tested in written expression section of the Excel. Check for the following types of error with nouns. Number 1, a noun count may be pluralized. In a person lifetime, the brain can store 100 trillion pieces of information.
Oke, stop. Ini maksudnya apa? noun count might be pluralized. E.g. itu apa? Untuk apa? Jawabannya apa gimana? In person, lifetime. Ini jawabannya apa?
Ini
100
jadi
trillion
jawabannya
pieces.
sesuai sama kalimat soalnya. Iya ini jawaban. Enggak ini
Jawabannya
antara
seperti
A,
ini.
B, and C. The correct answer is D. No.
Jawabannya ini. Soalnya bagaimana soalnya? Coba kita lihat di ini. Di apa di modul.
Correct
Coba
answer
share modulnya.
is D. Information is not and cannot be.
Oke. Dengerin dulu. Modul coba di-share modul. Saya udah kehapus. Modul yang memberikan. Coba modulnya di-share. Sekarang di grup.
Right, ma'am.
Di-share di grup bukan di PPT. Saya mau lihat dulu. Masalahnya ini TOEFL nih. Kalau ada yang salah sedikit aja total nanti. Share di grup, bukan share di PPT, share di grup biar saya lihat dari grup. Oke, good job. Nah, this is coba kita lihat the exercise TOEFL. Exercise TOEFL nouns artikelnya. Di sini potato, bukan? Oh, ini. Yang mana kamu gunakannya? Exercise berapa itu?
Ini masih penjelasan, Mem. Exercise-nya bawahnya lagi. Slide selanjutnya.
Oh, ini baru penjelasan.
Iya,
Oke,
Mem.
kita langsung ke exercise-nya aja.
Oke, Mem.
Biar paham. Nah, exercise-nya itu as nouns article. The potato. Nah, oke, langsung. The potato. Tuh. The potato was the staple of airline.
Exercise.
Ya, airline dia paling ya. When the crop failed
Potato.
in 1840, there was mass starvation.
Ini kan
Nah, itu jawabannya apa?
Jawaban yang dihilangin ya?
Jawabannya apa?
D. Yang number 1. D, Mem.
Ya, oke. Apa?
Di mes.
Oh, di mass.
Mass starvation.
Oke.
Mass starvation.
Yes, good. Jadi agak ditebelin warnanya itu. Ya, there was mass. Jadi jawabannya adalah mass. Ya, oke, good. Number second, coba.
Sharks can maneuver considerably faster than other fish because they have no bones.
Yes.
Best answer is other fish.
Yeah. Okay.
Next,
Number 3.
number 3, although sugar cane, although sugar cane and sugar beet look very different, the sugars that is refined.
Okay.
Best answer is the sugar, C.
Yes. And then
Ini nggak baca ya. Number 4.
number 4.
Number 4, textiles industrious.
Textiles.
Textiles industrious are as with the spread as food industrious because both supply basic human needs. The best answer is textiles industrious.
Okay, good. Next.
Number 5, many animal species. Many animal species are totally colors blind.
Condition.
But the condition is very rare in human.
Okay, the best answer.
B. Colors blind.
Okay, good. Next.
Number 6. Our schools is made up of 8 cranial and 14 facial bones. Best answer is 8 cranial. B.
Okay,
7.
next.
Diamonds with diamonds
Which is about
which is about
14
40
times.
times as hard as salt is made up of pure carbon. And the best answer is pure carbon. D.
Okay, good.
8.
Okay.
The
The
oceans
oceans.
contain about 97% the world's water supply and about another 2% of
The
the world.
ocean, bukan the ocean, D bacanya.
The ocean.
Okay.
Di Inggris.
Iya, bukan the ocean, salah. Karena vokal A, I, U, E, O. Ini kan menghadapi depannya O. Makanya bacanya the ocean. Okay, next. The best answer?
The best answer is B.
97%.
97%.
Okay, good. Next. Enough. Exercise, article. Oh, masih ada.
Jadi,
Okay. Who choose, please?
9. Brainwaves pattern vary among different people and in different activities. And best answer is brainwaves pattern vary among different people. A. Number 10. The ancestor of today's horse was a little mammal. Mamalia maksudnya. Was a little mammal called Eohippus, which first appeared.
Number 10, bukan number 10. Salah. Number 10 itu salah. Number 10.
Number 10. The ancestor of today's horse was a little mammal called Eohippus, which first appeared 54 million years ago. Ini ada 2 jadi C sama D gabung. Jadi sih jawabannya ini.
Hujan deh, gerimis deh.
And the best answer is today's horse.
Okay, good. Next.
11. Lasers
Jangan bercanda.
are of great value in areas such as communication, industry, medicine, and scientific research. And the best answer is industry. Right. 12. Dinosaurs are classified as reptiles, although some appear to have been warm-blooded. The best answer is some appear. C. Next. James.
Come on.
13.
James Watt, the British engineer who developed the steam engine in 1760.
16 pakai S.
S4. And the best answer is the
Kamu
what?
baru bisa baca ya? Minta dibantu ya? Ayo, cepat bacanya kok.
Number 14. Methane is a odorless burning gas and is the main ingredient of natural gas. The best answer is B, or odorless. 15. The alcohol acts as a narcotic on the nervous system and the brain. And the best answer is the alcohol. 16. Jesse Taylor was first president to be elected from a state of Mississippi River. And the best answer is first president. Number 17, Bernac lists, which are related to lobster, shrimp, and crabs make strongest glue. And the best answer is D, strongest glue. Number 18, in the 1860, Louis Pasteur discovered that bacteria in air caused the perishable food to go bad. And the best answer is C, the perishable food. Number 19, land covers almost thirds of the Earth's surface, of which 2/3 is cold. And the best answer is church. Or to dry for farming. Number 20, Old Faithful in Yellowstone National Park is probably the world's most famous. And the best answer is Yellowstone National Park. 21, thermographs are special pictures that show the variation in heat emitted by different area of body. And the best answer is
Pri,
of body.
coba open kamera. Saya mau absen ini. Jangan close kamera. Saya mau absen. Kalau close kamera Anda termasuk tidak absen, tidak masuk. Ya, lanjut.
Lanjut.
Next.
Thanks for
Ya, oke, next.
done, ma'am.
Oke, dan. Oke, ini PPT-nya sangat bagus sekali ya. Sudah lengkap sekali. Exercise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ya. exercise sekali. Jadi saya akui tepuk tangan kita, aplaus buat grup 1 ya. Nah, saya lihat di kelas A tadi pagi salah total. Kenapa? Mereka hanya memaparkan nouns dan artikelnya saja. And then function and use nouns and article. Padahal di penilaian presentation group saja. Jadi assignment group saja, assignment individual, exercise-nya mereka tidak mengerjakan. Nah, di sini jadi dua-duanya dapat ya. Ini bagus sekali. Ya, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 6, 7, 8. Nah, hampir 30. Nah, ini bagus sekali. Sangat. Oke, kita beri aplaus. Nah, jadi begitu cara pemaparannya. Exercise-nya tetap tadi ada revisi sedikit ya di exercise berapa tadi? 4 apa 5 tuh?
4, ma'am.
Ya 4. Nah itu soalnya harus ditulis, jangan jawabannya. Jadi soalnya lanjut di bawahnya, underline, langsung jawabannya. Begitu ya. Itu direvisi sedikit. Jadi kalian hanya merevisi sedikit. Jadi soalnya tetap ditulis ya. Berikut di bawahnya jawaban. Soalnya ditulis, berikut jawaban. Nah, tadi pagi kelas yang E itu PAIE ya, PAIA itu hanya membuat berapa slide ya? 12 slide kalau nggak salah, 12 apa 13 slide. Jadi hanya paparan saja. Kalau hanya paparan saja, isi materi PowerPoint saja, itu hanya mendapatkan get score assignment group, assignment individualnya, yaitu exercise itu. Cuma assignment individual itu dikerjakan secara kelompok, bukan mandiri. Paham? Ya, jadi assignment individual and assignment group itu dikerjakan secara berkelompok. Ini kan individu, kenapa dikerjakan secara kelompok? Ya, itu aturan saya. Kamu harus ikutin aturan saya. Kalau kamu nggak ikutin aturan saya, kamu jangan jadi dosennya gitu. Memang ada 2 poin ya. Poin pertama, ada assignment individual itu dikerjakan sendiri. Tapi kalau ambil persepsi yang kedua, assignment individual itu dikerjakan secara berkelompok. Cantumkan seluruhnya di PPT. 1 PPT saja. Kasih tahu kelas A, nih loh, bentuknya seperti ini, tapi kamu jangan nyontek. Ya, kelas A harus diberitahu itu. Ya. Oke, yang revisi tadi tolong segera diperbaiki, ditunggu hari ini juga, dan link YouTube-nya ditunggu hari ini juga, paling lambat 3 hari. Oke? Understand? Oke, saya ingin menjelaskan sedikit nih. Sebentar. Oke. This is, ada yang mau bertanya nggak nanti soal begini nih? Nouns itu kata benda. Saya ingin jelaskan. Nouns adalah kata benda. Kata bendanya apa? Ada kata benda subjek, ada kata benda objek. Mrs. Rohima is teacher. Mrs. Rohima ini nouns subjek. Kata benda subjek. Is teacher. Is teacher-nya ini adalah nouns objek. Maka yang dicari adalah profesionalnya. Maksudnya apa ya? Diminta dari profesinya Miss Rohima itu sebenarnya noun subject and is teacher nouns object. Itu paham ya? Nah, Mima akan jelaskan ini material description introduction-nya. This is exercise 1, Anda udah mengisi number 1 until number 8 ya. Exercise 2 number 1 until 7. The article. Nah, di sini ada reading. Island ya. Island, some island were originally part and continents ya. These island were separated ya from the mainland. The result of a rise in the sea level. For example, Great Britain was connected to the mainland of Europe about 11,000 years ago. Nah, this is Iceland, differ greatly in size, Greenland, and largest and Iceland in the world, the differences, The size, Greenland, geographies, classify, Australia, and continent. This exercise 3 and 4. Nah, 4, nah ini kan kamu langsung diisi kan, soalnya nggak diisi kan. Coba exercise 3 soalnya ditulis ya. Exercise 4 soalnya ditulis seperti ini nih. Ya, Honshu is exercise 3. Coba. Honshu is the biggest land in bla 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 bla. Nah, itu the best answer-nya dikasih tanda warna merah apa warna kuning, hijau yang mencolok, dikasih warna. Itu lebih bagus. Ya. Jadi ini ternyata the best answer-nya gitu ya. Nah, begitu juga dengan exercise 4. Complete the sentences below with card. Nah, green ya, di sini ada Greenland. Ya, Greenland is the large island. It is in the bla 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 ocean. Nah, the best answer-nya dikasih warna merah gitu. Warna terserah lah. Ya, nah begitu juga number 6, bla 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 is bla 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 last island it is in bla 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 ocean. Nah itu harus Anda benar-benar dikasih gambaran yang lebih jelas sehingga audiens tahu. Oke, itu revisinya di situ aja kamu, nggak terlalu banyak, bagus. Oke, quantifiers udah Anda buat bagus. Komponen bagus, numbers sudah Anda buat di PPT-nya bagus. Oke, the exercise 4 ya, the correct the errors in following sentences. Exercise 4 number 1 until number H ada nggak kamu? Buat nggak? Halo?
Maaf, Ma'am.
Buat nggak? Exercise 4.
Buat komen tadi.
Setelah number.
Cuman kata mem harus direvisi dulu.
Oh iya, oke. Saya pikir nggak buat. Ya, itu soalnya ya exercise 4 ini soalnya harus ditulis. Ya. Dan sini kan people brains works more now than they did 100 years ago. Jawaban di konteks. Ya, direvisi ini exercise 4 ini ya. Oke. Ya harus dikasih warna apa gitu sebagai jawabannya gitu ya. Oke, bagus. Kalau juga Anda buat sudah bagus. And exercise 5 juga the correct and not correct sudah bagus, sudah buat Anda, good job. And definitive D juga Anda sudah. And then okay, good job on the TOEFL test for nouns juga bagus. Ada penjelasannya for article juga udah bagus. Anda buat exercise nouns and articles. Nah, TOEFL-nya number 1 until number 21 Anda juga. Oke, good job. Nah, ini yang harus benar-benar kalian kasih tahu kelas E dan kelas C ya. Perlu belajar sama saudara. Nah, ini adalah sudah lengkap assignment individual dan assignment group. Paham? Understand?
Understand, ma'am.
Yes, oke. Nah, itu yang saya mau ya. Jadi ini banyak mahasiswa kelas malam pun sama. Kelas P2K yang semester awal semuanya. Ada bahkan membuat slide-nya hanya 10 slide. Hah? Apa-apaan ini? Anak SMA kali ya? Nah, ya, jadi sebanyak-banyaknya slide itu akan menambah nilai yang terbaik, yang ya score is the best. Oke. Oke, maybe question? Ada saya sebentar, saya screenshot dulu ya. Imam Firmansyah. Oke, saya akan screenshot nanti. Oke, yang jelas. Oke, enough ya. Saya pikir demikian, itu saja. Jelas atau tidak jelas, Anda pelajari sendiri. Kalian sudah mahasiswa. Oke, enough ya.
Enough, ma'am.
Oke, thank you for your attention. Say together, Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ya, welcome. Good job. Sekali lagi, good job for group. Ya, hanya revisi sedikit saja. Oke. Nanti kelompok berikutnya juga sama ya. Harus demikian. Contoh dari kelompok 1 yang terbaik. Oke, bye. See you.
Bye.
Bye.